figure this out. I have to go to the library, so my list is getting there. It's like halfway. I am literally almost done. Oh my god. Oh no. We're gonna go in the library because we're gonna see what's in there that day. Like if it's a book that I'm like highly anticipating, like oh my gosh, more of me. That's not this one. I have to go to the library, so my list is getting there. It's like halfway. So I head to the library and return these books. Really, I just need to return them and come on back. I probably should. I'm gonna go in the library. Who am I kidding? I'm gonna go in. We're gonna go in the library because we're gonna see what's in there. And then we can do a separate one. Some things. I'm feeling good and I'm feeling very proud. I'm also feeling very shiny. I'm literally about to go downstairs and do my skincare, but yeah, I just want to talk about the things that I did. So I did film a video that I wanted to film for my books. I finished editing a video, and actually I could probably set I uploaded it, posted it and everything like that, and then I could probably set my video for the video that I filmed to get that set up maybe. maybe. I don't know. It's literally the time that I would want to be getting in the bed. And I feel like reading. I really feel like reading. So I'm trying to like hurry up and get in the bed so I can like read a little bit of something. I still have my, well, my gym bag's pretty much done. I just need to put my makeup bag in there. Let me do that right now because that can be done really quickly. But yeah, so my gym bag is packed. Packed and ready. So yeah, I'm gonna get ready for bed now. I'm gonna go wash my face, but first I'm thirsty, but I'm also craving like a flavored drink. So usually when that happens, I drink an OLIPOP. This is my favorite one. I literally order it off the OLIPOP website just to get this flavor because it's not sold in the store anywhere. At least it's not sold anywhere near me. While I'm drinking water, actually, let me take this allergy medicine. I might put this OLIPOP back. I literally just drinking that water honestly helped me a lot. Actually, that water literally did it for me. So I'm probably gonna put this back because I'll open it up and not drink it all, and that bothers me when I don't drink it all because I wasted it if I don't drink it all. But yep, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get a sleepy time tea, and then I'm gonna get in this bed, especially because I want to read. I'm in the mood to read. What am I gonna read? Let's see. Oh, I don't even think I talked about what I got from the library. I think I did. Well, I showed the books. So I found this book, Only Lovers in the Building. This is cute. I think it's just like a cutesy romance. Just like something cutesy. They're in a building together. They are melanated. They are melanated people. And there's some type of romance. And then I saw this. Everybody's seen this. Well, all the readers have seen this. Lights Out. The couple that slays together stays together. I know it's about a couple and they like to slay together, I guess. That's all I really know. It's a dark romance, I think. Witty dark romance. A dark romance like you've never seen before. Can you handle the ride? I don't know, but my friend from work told me I really don't like books with skulls on them. And I really just, I don't know why, I really didn't notice it was a skull like that. Like I didn't even think about it. Well, my friend from work told me to read this one. So, and it was at the library, and I was like, this is a popular book to not snatch it. So I snatched it. So those are my library books. So maybe I'll start one of those. Maybe I'll start Lights Out. I told her I was gonna start it soon. So I probably should start it soon. I still am finishing Oathbound. I'm taking my time, clearly. You know what I wanted to do? I wanted to mark where I was in the book. I kept saying I was going to mark where I was in the... Oh, I already have a bookmark. I literally grabbed another bookmark because I thought I didn't have one. I'm so far. I'm 80%. I'm on page 514. I wonder if the page numbers are the same. Let's see. I go to 514 in the book. This is how far I am. I'm literally almost done. Oh my god. Oh, proud. I'm gonna feel so accomplished when I finish this book. It's been so long. It's been so long. It's been months. And I haven't been reading it for months. I've literally been taking my time, but it's just been months. And I just thought that I was literally gonna get this book and like read it in a day, and that's not what happened. That's not what happened. You know what I would love to start doing? I would love to start like taking off on the day books release and reading the book that day. Like if it's a book that I'm like highly anticipating, like, oh my gosh, the book by Annie Davenport. The book by Annie Davenport. Dang, what is the name of this book? I want to say Vicious Oats. Is that what it is? It's in my, hold on, it's in my thing here. Yep, Our Vicious Oats. This art is amazing. This book, I think I want to do that. Take off that day. Oh my God, does it come out? I feel like this book comes out like in October, like when I'm going on vacation. Okay, after vacation. So after my vacation, it comes out on the 28th of October. So, but I would love to like just take off the day it comes out and just literally read as much as I can in a day. That sounds like a great idea, actually. Maybe I'll do that. For my anticipated reads, just take off and read for that day. I kind of love that idea. I'm also loving that this is turning into a junk journal, and I feel like I want to do more with it. I don't know what more things I can do, but I want to do something. I don't know what, but something. I want to put things in there. I'm procrastinating. Let me get up. This is me procrastinating and clearly not getting with the program. Clearly. So, let me get up and get ready for bed. Thanks for hanging out. If you need help with being disciplined, you need a buddy, I'm your buddy. Just hit me up in the comments and we can talk about what we need to be disciplined about together and improve together. That's the goal, right? To get better together. And yeah, make sure you subscribe to my channel. You want to see more videos on books and discipline and just, you know, if you want to see more of me. More of me. That's not the song. Okay. All right. Have a good night. See you guys in the next video. Bye.